Hey guys, it's Marianne, and I wanted to introduce you to week 7 a little early because it's gorgeous out, and I thought, well, maybe you guys might want to get out early in the week because who knows what's going to happen further into the week. You know, Michigan. All right, so this week is going to be the cemetery project, so I'm so excited. Anyways, the video explanation is here. Now, I have done this with other college classes, so don't get wigged out if the video just doesn't look exactly like what you read, but the essentials are exactly the same. This video is just for you guys. I went out today to film it. This is not at a cemetery, but evidently my son told me after I went that it's a big party place, but whatever. But it has a bunch of stone, it looks like headstones, but they are like stone markers. So anyway, I made references, or inferences, but if you go to winter video 1 or winter video 2, you'll see me at an actual cemetery, and you'll see how I'm making the inferences with those headstones, and actually the whole entire cemetery. So the video is going to tell you everything you need to know. And if you don't know what you're doing, just text me and I'll explain it. So this is 5 pages, I think, 6 pages, and it might seem overwhelming, but it really isn't, because a lot of it is videos and a lot of it is examples, and I just want to make sure you guys are clear as to what you're doing. This is prepare you for the synthesis papers next week. I will go over those, but in the meantime, I just wanted to quickly go over the weekly content. Every week, please click weekly content, because that is stuff you got to do. And then, so today, I'll get this lecture up by Monday, I promise. And then watch Jamie Oliver. It's 20 minutes. I'm kind of like, I think you'll like it. What You Eat Is Your Business. This is a contrasting view from Jamie Oliver. There is no article reflection. Please read 466 and 482 in our textbook, the green one. Continue reading The Horse. This is a 5-second lecture on blooms. And then the cemetery project is right here. It's not due till Sunday, 11:59 p.m. But one thing that students forget, there's 2 things that they always forget. Well, not really they always, but a couple of them, and they lose out on points. Is 1, make sure you give me a selfie of you at the cemetery. My gosh, we gotta make sure that you guys win. And then, which is normally never a problem. And then the other thing is, if you do a narrated PowerPoint, you got to do the narration and record yourself narrating it. You can't just prepare a PowerPoint and that's it. So, but typically students usually don't have a problem doing this at all. So, and especially when I go out there and say, look, I'm doing this, and I would never give you guys anything that I would never do. So at any rate, I'm leaving. This is what we're doing this week. And then if you go to assignments, you'll see week 7 assignments, and then here's Jamie Oliver, and then you're posting the cemetery project to the discussion board. So if you click this, it'll take you right to the discussion board, create thread, and you just have to post your multimedia project. I'll probably add something else in there, I think. I don't know. What else do I got to put in there? Oh, I got to do the annotation. So I got to do that, and I think that's about it. So you guys have a great day. Reach out 10919-7725 if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day.